Up until now, my mentors have not been like specific, like you are my mentor. It's just kind of people in the industry that I really look up to and have been lucky enough to talk to and learn from.
I worked for a place called Azar Sound in Sydney when I first graduated. And there was a lovely man, Andrew Plain, and he was the director of that company. And you often remember when you're starting out, the people that took some time for you. And he just had that thing where he'd just throw you in the deep end, go. And you'd go, okay, I'll try it. And I think that was a great thing. It wasn't like keeping inexperienced people away from the jobs. It was like, okay, throw them in and see what they do.
I feel like that's really odd. And the reason that I find that a bit odd is because what that then does is puts that person on a plateau. We're all peers, we all need to stand side by side. So I don't really want mentors. I want peers. I want people that I can talk to and we can communicate on our work.
My previous employer, she was awesome, like just a business person through and through. And yeah, I was lucky enough to work alongside her for 5 years. So learned a lot over those years. And she was very like open and honest with everything.
Dominique Fala, she's been the one pushing me the whole time. She's really like helped me with my work because she was the one constantly telling me to pursue what I loved, and that has been the biggest difference with my previous work and the work that I do now. And I definitely recommend having a coach, having someone that you can look up to and also ask questions and just discuss your ideas as well. Like I have meetings with Dominique almost every month and we just like go over the things that we work on currently and different ideas that we have. And it's just great to be able to talk about it to someone else and get their input.
I have design colleagues who are more senior than me, but I wouldn't necessarily consider those to be mentors. But most of the time I've sought out mentors to help me on the business side.
Some people do look at them as they will just have, say, one business coach, for instance, and that's a scary thought at the start when you first get a business coach, because it's like, well, how do I know they're good? And it's one of those industries a bit too that's like, well, how do I know to trust them? So I've had coaches over the years, and often I'll do like maybe 1 year coaching and then finish it and then go somewhere else, because I find often there's a bit of a shelf life to the knowledge someone has. But you can have coaches for different things. You can have an accountability coach. You can have someone that's just inspiring and it's just like, wow, there's, so much more. But yeah, you don't know what you don't know.